Well, for a child, if you are an adult, knowing that that child is receiving care from you is a really important thing to remember. Whereas if you are in a situation with another adult, and you're just having a conversation or you're just trying to figure something out. And usually attachment disorder is only diagnosed for childhood. For adults, it's more of an attachment style because there's isn't this need for a caregiver. And a lot of times in a lot of relationships, we set up the dynamic that we need care from other people or we need them to take care of us. And so the faster you can move beyond that and start owning like your needs for yourself, the more quickly you can get out of that type of pattern and also not, even though you want to support a loved one with an attachment disorder, if they're not a child, the only other way you would do that is by going slowly in different interactions, being very clear about your needs, and not taking it personally if they have a bad or poor response where they end up blaming you for something, which is really hard, of course.